We need these quote-unquote minor characters as a part of the big picture because they tell truths about God's major characters that sometimes they can't tell themselves. Characters like Hagar reveal the cracks in the story that we tend to patch over and cover up and not really spend a whole lot of time thinking through. These stories, when we read them in Scripture with fresh eyes, they also reveal to us a God who refuses to let the forgotten stay forgotten. Today, we need a woman in Scripture who just changes us if we hear her story. She becomes the very first person in Scripture to actually give a name to God. I bet you probably didn't know that. It's hard to think about it like that, right? It wasn't Abraham that did it. It wasn't a prophet or a preacher. It was an Egyptian woman. It was a slave who was escaping from hardship, who in the moment of feeling the least pain she's ever felt, names a God who sees her.